In order to adjust the headlamps, the vehicle must be at driving height. But this air-sprung vehicle is not yet at driving height. On the level control unit, press the buttons for the front and rear axle driving height. When the third button is pressed, the programmed driving height is adopted. The truck symbol goes out. The model plate shows the correct deflection for the lights. In this example, the deflection is 1.25%. Note: before the headlamps are adjusted, the tires must be at the prescribed pressure. The vehicle must be standing on level ground while the headlamps are adjusted. To align the adjustment device relative to the longitudinal axis of the vehicle, use two external reference points. Position the adjustment device. The distance from the device to the headlamp is about 30 centimeters. The center of the lens on the adjustment device should deviate from the headlamps by less than 3 centimeters. The inclination is shown on the adjustment device in centimeters. In this case, 12.5 centimeters. This corresponds to a deflection of 1.25%. There should also be a light, dark boundary at a distance of 10 meters. To adjust the height, turn the adjustment screw until the light, dark boundary lies exactly on the line. For lateral adjustment, turn the adjustment screw until the part of the light, dark boundary that rises to the right starts at the vertical line of the central mark.